Well, it is Monday. We've got an anatomical model, which I will not be needing, a Nintendo Switch Lite, and a boatload of flowers that I should deal with before they become even larger in number. Not much new. I did stream last night, so wasn't tons of time. Okay. Wasn't tons of time for things to transpire since. Well, I hit one rock. We'll see if I do more than that. Okay, so it's Monday. I'm not sure who's going to be here today. Not Red, I can tell you that definitively. I'm just gonna focus on getting the main stuff done today. So many weeds on my island, I should probably deal with them, but I'm kind of just letting them grow at this point. So, yeah, we'll see about that. Good thing I went this way today, though. The recipe ended up all the way over here. Okay, we got a traditional straw coat. I will attempt to learn it, even though there's no way I need it. Item-wise, we have a velvet stool and an outdoor air conditioner. I can tell you that both of those are non-varianted items. That is okay. That was a big ol' sturge. That's okay. I don't need it. But maybe I should have saved all the sturgeons so I could make more. But I'm just selling them. Maybe I should keep some of the rare things so I can make double models. Yeah, it's ridiculous the fact that I'm sitting here thinking, oh man, maybe I should save some things for future doubles. It's crazy. But I honestly should at this point because, like, why not? Anyway, anything here I need? No. No, I don't need anything here. There's only like the one or two dresses. There's one or two dresses I need still. Plus all the prom stuff, which is not available until next month anyway. So as I looked at all the dates last night, the whoopee cushion's the first thing, and that'll be available as of Friday. No one is in the plaza today, so that's something to be aware of. I do need to give a gift to Bunny. I'll need to craft some more, some lamps. Got nothing here. Grab our points. Probably will need to buy more wrapping paper. To be honest, I got tons of stuff to sell. Okay, let's see. Well, Red's not here. I actually should check the shoreline because Gulliver could be him. Or I could have Gulliver as my random. I think that's entirely possible, knowing how things have gone, and I'm almost positive they're gonna double up again. Because they seem to do that now. I don't know why. Genji's crafting again, so let's see what he's got. Stacked wood wall. That's pretty buff, dude. Very swole of him. Okay. What? What? Oh, I shot it. Oh. Okay, I was very confused for a second. I was from a balloon. That must... Okay, it's obviously been a very long time since I needed to get the bamboo recipes. But that is a seasonal recipe. And I got it ages ago. A year ago. You know, close to a year ago. Also, Gulliver is the one here today. Go figure. I will deal with him soon. Not quite yet. Okay, I do need to get a shovel to deal with him, and I will need to switch to my other character so I can deal with all the recipes on the floor, so that all works out today. Let's update my thing here. Gulliver. Okay. That'll put it at... I should be at, like... I'm confused. Can I count? I think I'm gonna be at like 28. Like 28 Gulliver things. Okay, what is this? I didn't actually check the name. I'm pretty sure I have it, but I want to just double check. It is a campfire cookware. I have this. Great. We've got the washing machine I always see. We've got a tissue box, which I don't need. We've got the coffee cup. Yeah, okay. We don't need any of this. So let me just Celarooski. That's what I'm gonna say. That's what I'm going with today. Don't need this, that. Good stuff. Okay, so I had a shovel all along. So I will go ahead and keep said shovel. And buy one now. So I'll have one for next time. Because I forgot. That's what happened. Alright, everyone's in the way. I'm gonna just quickly check this. It might be the case. Nope, it's another one of them. Okay, cool. That works for me. Maybe... I don't know how it works, to be honest. Let me just see. We have gray, coral, yellow. Right, so those are the 3 we have. There are 4 of these total, so that's the last one. Still need the case. I guess that'll show up in time. Not 100% on that, but that should be all of that accounted for. So cool. Booga. Alright. Wow. So begins the first part of helping him today. Now, if I was really feeling adventurous, I would just dig up a bunch of clams today and get my bait total up again to make up for how much I used on the golden trout. Ideally, I don't know, I want to get back up to 200, which I think I'm just under, so I guess the real ideal world I'm at like 300, 250, I don't know. I needed 1 giant trevally and 2 mahi-mahis. and a couple of pond fish, which would just be quicker if I used bait. But I probably wouldn't need to use very much bait to actually get them. So that's a bit of a I don't know. It's a bit of an I don't know. Go with that. It's really all I got. I'm having good luck with these communicator parts though, so far. Got 4 like it was nothing. I just can't aim. Okay, where did she go? Hello? Alright, sure. Alright, let's just put a little bit of time into bait, I suppose. I don't know. I still need to make these two. I need to make this still? Let's put myself on this. Oh, that's not what I wanted to do. There we go. Okay, so I did make that. Oh, that's not even what I was trying to check. Good job, me. Okay, I have 177 in storage, so I am beneath 200. Got another present coming in, but I don't really need to worry about that. Back down to only needing the summer shell rug as a present DIY. Thankfully I got the wand without too much work. I assume the rug will be in a similar situation. Just a matter of waiting until the summer. Okay, so yeah, I'll try and get a good amount of bait today. Just one less thing to worry about. Not that I really... Well, I mean, I don't know. I guess I'm probably worrying about it. Not really worrying. It's just one of those things in the back of your head that you're like, oh man, I still have to do this. And like, it's not even like immediate. Like, dealing with the spider crabs and trying to get more of them is more of an immediate task for me based on the time restrictions. It's just getting clams is easier than getting spider crabs because they're consistent. That's why they're winning at this point. Alright, hold on a sec. Right here. Okay, so I think 2 more times I help him and I will have the golden shovel. Finally. So... if his schedule stays as it is... No, it's like a month away. I'm very close. And, I mean, maybe if I had different luck, for people who are unaware, you know, the weekly visitor system was updated in, I think it was June? Could have been July. Honestly, I can't remember which one it was. It was in summer, right? So there's a good 2-3 months where it was in the original system. And in the original system, there's no guarantees. And I had a lot of weeks where Gulliver just did not show up. Like, I would go like 3 weeks without seeing him. I'd just kind of be sitting there like, So, Yeah, I had really bad Gulliver luck in the beginning. So after they changed it, he, you know, was more consistent, more regular. So perhaps if I had better luck with him in the, you know, first few months, I haven't missed a day. Like, I've gone on every day, so I haven't missed. So perhaps if I had better luck with him in the first few months, I would have been able to get the golden shovel within a year of starting. I mean, I still just think that's crazy. It's just too long to get a golden tool. Especially when, like, in this game it has, like, zero purpose aside from durability. You know? Like, I don't know. The golden... Like, I would have got the golden slingshot by now, for sure. The reason I got it super early was because of Bunny Day. It made it very easy for me to just get it. You know? Like, those Bunny Day balloons just kept showing up, and I just kept shooting them down, and then by the time I stopped to look at my total, I was like, oh man, I'm so close. I should just keep doing this. And it was over. Like when I got my first meteor shower, and I just kept wishing upon the stars, and I got the milestone. Easy peasy. I don't know if there's data for how often or how long it takes people to get Gulliver. Because obviously a lot of people who really want it just will, you know, time travel or something. Just find a day that he's there and then just keep resetting it to help him. Anyway. Maybe in about a month or so we'll have that, and we'll be pretty close to getting another recipe, and we'll have to see how all those flour-based recipes are going at that point. I honestly don't know about getting them. It's just gonna take time. I've had a lot of good luck lately with the recipes I'm missing. Getting them in bottles of people crafting. It's pretty crazy when it happens. I still am like in disbelief. But eventually it'll all work out. Yeah, so like, I mean, right now I'm good for creatures for this month. You know, April's right around the corner. And when it comes to fish, I mean, like, I know there's going to be all the water eggs, but even like taking the water eggs out of account, everything that I'm going for is pretty common, so I don't think I need to worry very much when it comes to actually getting them. Like, I still should be able to get them relatively easily. So, work on that. Try and get more of the spider crabs. Okay, so I've helped Gulliver. I've got exactly 23 manila clams on me, which will bring me up to 200 on the nose. So, I think that's very fitting. It's fate, and it was not planned, so I'll stick with that. I'll just craft all these. Then I'll have 200 bait, so at least I'll be back up to 200, and then maybe in the coming days I can bring it up to 250, just so I can have it there and not worry. So at this point, I just need to craft some more gifts for Bunny. Give a gift to Bunny. Fly to Harv's. and then just switch over to my other character, help Gulliver deal with all the recipes, grab the recipe from the beach, and I think that's it. I don't know if he has anything in his mail that's waiting. Just trying to think if there's a model or not. It's been a while since I switched over, I think. Forget how long this takes. When you don't do it for a while, it's like... yeah, I don't know. Just kinda goes. But it's the only way to deal with the pier fish. I gave up using the bait to try and get the golden trout just because it didn't seem to be as worth it. I feel like... I mean, I don't know, I've played every Animal Crossing game up until this point, so... I'm very, very familiar with running the river or ocean to scare away fish, right? So it really made more sense for me to just fix my river up, and then, you know, to try and get it. But when it comes to up here, it's not the same. You can't just run the ocean and expect things to spawn at the pier. It just doesn't work out that way. So, having all this bait to deal with pier fishing and pier fishing alone does make the most amount of sense. And hopefully it doesn't take too much. You know, I'm at 200 now, so ideally I'd like to have 250 just so I don't have to worry. Obviously I could use a lot less, or I could use a lot more. I'm trying to get the dumb pier fish, so I don't know. That's not a problem for a couple months though. I think it's June that they start. It also could be May. I honestly don't remember offhand, and it doesn't matter because it's far away at this point. There's nothing super rare. I mean, there's the snapping turtle. That's going to be in April, and it's a 2% chance compared to the golden trout's 1% chance. Although it's going to be, you know, it's better. Not only like is it double the percent, but the size is different. Right? With the golden trout, there's like 4 other fish that share the same size of it. So when you see a size 3 fish, you're just like, eh. But if you see the other side, it's probably only a black bass or like a turtle or something. I don't know. Points is, turtle's not going to be much of a concern. And like I have 1 turtle, I think. Question mark? Question mark? Just get some extra flowers and trade them to people for flower recipes. It's big brain. Very big brain. No, I'm not at the trading stage yet. I gotta convince other friends to like play more so they can get me their new stuff items. That's my next goal. Let's be real. I want to get more of the Nook Stop things, or at least see what they have. Okay, so I'll put all this stuff away. So that's all the stuff. That's all the lamps I can make with the resources I got from the rocks today. Haven't hit them in a couple days, so it's better than nothing. But I think that works out. I probably only have that amount of wrapping paper here anyway. Where is it? Okay, I have 2. I'm gonna drop one. I'll just put one in storage, fine. Okay, I'll buy more tomorrow. I bought myself 2 days. So I'll buy more tomorrow, craft more, whatever, figure it out. Got some mail. Sweet. It's gonna be some new stuff. It's gonna be the cherry cardboard box. And an analog kitchen scale. So that's exciting. Thank you. Let me pull this stuff up real quick. The pink one, I believe. That one. Yeah. Okay, so there are 8 of these. I only have 7, so I just need the black analog kitchen scale, cardboard box. Looking for cherries. And that should be the last one. There are 7 of these, and I have 7. So that's that. That's cool. Sweet. One less thing to worry about. I will go find Bunny, give her this gift, fly to Harv's, and then switch over to the other guy. She should hopefully still be down here somewhere, unless she's ran off. Maybe she ran off. Oh, she's here. Didn't even see her at first. God, I could have given her my maracas. Terrible. I mean, get some overalls. Exciting. Good timing though on the mail. Some good timing. If I look at my items needed, that brings me down to 41 miscellaneous pieces of furniture I still need. It's almost to the point where my wall-mounted and miscellaneous are the same amount. That's pretty cool. At least for the standard furniture. I did open the Nintendo Switch Online app earlier today. No update, it seems. So, just keep checking back every day until I can get my points. So I can redeem some stuff. Time to switch over. Pretty cool though. I am getting pretty close to being done with everything. Like, I've got most of the stuff, and like all the new stuff I basically get. Like, I complete most of the new stuff. I still have to obviously put the spreadsheet together for all the new things, which is it's not something I'm looking forward to. There's a lot. So, of course, it's a little bit of a, one of those things that you're just like, I don't really want to deal with this. That's what I sound like when I talk about it, of course. Because it's a bit of a Alright, hold on. Okay. Alright. Okay, so he does actually have a model. Pond skater. And we've got the anniversary cake. So I have 2 of those now, because yes, that's how things work around here. I'll just run inside real quick. I don't need that, so I guess I'll just put this stuff away. And this stuff can all get... This is all extras. And this is to drop. Okay, cool. Bottle, great. Let's see what we have in this one. Signpost. Run away, friend. I feel like I have multiple of those. I got multiple that stack wall for some reason. Maybe I should have kept that one since it's seasonal, but whatever. Okay, now that one. Jeez. These are all just extras on his part, so that's fun. Okay, so we'll drop the pond skater model. Quickly, just deal with this. There you go. Catalog went up. That amount, that's it. That's it. Okay, cool. So, pond skaters there. I will actually mark that off in my catalog now. I don't feel like waiting. Just find that. Okay, I'll just mark the pond skater off now. It'll be there officially tomorrow. Good enough. So if I look real quick, I need 25 more items from Gulliver. They're basically all hats, as I've said previously. So hopefully I can get, entire new ones. Preferable, of course. So we'll see what happens. job. And great start. Eventually, I won't have a lot of hearts. I'm nearly done with all the Dow items, so I'm realistically not too far off of being like I'll have the model plane soon. I have over 250 points, so I only need 300, so that's gonna be done within the next month or so, I'd hope. That's one less thing to worry about. So like realistically, once I'm done with all the creatures, which could be as soon as the summer, I think. Like, I think August actually is the latest, but there basically will be nothing left in August that I need. So, once that's done, there's not that much. Like, I'm working away the dailies pretty well for the most part. So I'll just keep going. Anyway, that's gonna be it for today. So, got a couple things in the mail, which is cool. Ordered and the last of the Nintendo Switch lights from the catalog shopping thingy majig. No new recipes, no gold, no new furniture, nothing from the stores. Gulliver was here today, so I've helped him on both characters. I think that'll be 28 times I've helped him on my main character, so 2 more and I should get the golden shovel. I also took some time and I got 23 more bait, so I'm back up to 200. In the coming days, I might try to get that to 250, just so I can be, you know, prepared for the future, since we're done with the golden trout. And I'll also have to work on getting more spider crabs and ordering some more of the new stuff on Friday. Not sure what I'm going to work on the spreadsheet yet, but we'll see. And yeah, I'll be back on tomorrow, probably sometime, I don't know, sometime in the same ballpark area thing. And we'll see who's there, who's here, then something. Look at Bunny trying to fish in what's a very small amount of water. Anyway, that's it for today. We got the dailies done, and we got some more bait. So that's that. Great. Cool. Goodbye. Take care. Thanks for watching.